Okay, so if you're looking at question number 3 in the 1.4 review questions, it says the maximum highway speed in some states is 110 kilometers per hour. Express the speed in units of meters per second. So if I want to end up with meters per second, you know that converting kilometers to meters is a one-step metric conversion. So that's what you would do for the numerator. And then you know that you can convert hours to seconds by stopping off at minutes in between. So let's do the top first. Let's convert kilometers into meters in a one-step metric conversion. Put the number 1 where the prefixed unit is. Kilo is 10 to the 3rd. Kilometers will cancel. Then we can convert hours into minutes. Put hours on the up diagonal with minutes below it. There are 60 minutes in an hour. And then you can convert minutes to seconds. There are 60 seconds in a minute. And in your calculator, this is going to be 110 times second E3 divided by 60 divided by 60, enter. These are exact unit equations, so that means you would want 2 significant figures in your final answer. You should get 31 meters per second. For question number 4, it says the density of tantalum is 16.7 grams per mil. What is this value in units of pounds per liter? You're given that 1 kilogram is 2.21 pounds. So it would make the most sense to convert grams to kilograms, then to pounds, using the conversion that they were giving us. And then you know that you can convert milliliters to liters in a one-step metric conversion. So if we convert our grams to kilograms first, 1 goes with kilo, 10 to the 3rd goes with the grams. Then we can convert our kilograms to pounds. And here we've got 1.00 kilograms is 2.21 pounds. Then we can take our milliliters and convert it to liters in our one-step metric conversion. 1 goes next to milli because that's our prefixed unit. Now, this is exact. This is 3 sig figs, 3 sig figs. This is exact. Here is 3 sig figs. So that means you want 3 sig figs in your answer. In your calculator, this is 16.7 divided by second E3 times 2.21 divided by second E negative 3. And you're going to end up with 36.9 pounds per liter. Then, when we look at question number 5, it says silver has a density of 10.5 grams per centimeter cubed. You've got a mass of 6 grams. What is the volume? And they want it in milliliters. Okay, so if we're given grams, you can put this over 1 if you'd like. And then what we can do is we can go ahead and we can use the density, since it's in grams per centimeter cubed, to convert our grams to centimeters cubed, and then we can convert that to milliliters afterwards. So put grams on the diagonal, and then you'll have your centimeters cubed on top. We're using the density, it's 10.5 grams per 1 centimeter cubed. Then you know that a centimeter cubed is the same thing as a milliliter. So you'll have a 1 and a 1 there. This is 3 sig figs, this is 3 sig figs, this is infinite. So you want to have 3 significant figures in your answer. This is 6.00 divided by 10.5 times 1, enter. You're going to end up with 0.571 milliliters. Remember, the leading zeros are not significant. For question number 6, it says that we've got 451 degrees Fahrenheit. And we want to convert degrees Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. So you would subtract 32 first. Then you would divide by 1.8, and this is going to give you 233 degrees Celsius. Just round this to the nearest whole number rather than following the rules of sig figs. Question number 7. It says that we've got a 1.9 Kelvin temperature. We're going to convert this into degrees Fahrenheit. So there's no direct conversion. So if you take if you take Kelvin, which is 1.9, and you subtract 273, that's going to give you negative 271.1 degrees Celsius. So you've got to do that first before you can convert to degrees Fahrenheit. Then take negative 271.1 degrees Celsius, multiply it by 1.8, add 32. This is going to be negative 456 degrees Fahrenheit, rounded to the nearest whole number.